how to use millets, and are these millets good for our health? Because there are so many videos in social media which claims that the millets are good for health. It reduces your sugar level, it reduces your hypertension, it decreases your thyroid, it is good for cancer. So many things are there. Let us see, is this true or not? So basically the millets, what is the composition of these millets? The millets will be having the carbohydrates, then proteins and fat. So along with this, certain vitamins and minerals will also be there. So coming to this carbohydrate, about 65 to 75% of this millets is a carbohydrate, and that carbohydrate is again it's a starch which is hard to digest. So next is the fiber, which is about 10 to 15%. The protein content is very less. Next to the carbohydrate, it is the fiber, which is about 10 to 15%. Again, this fiber is also very hard, and again, it is difficult to digest. So regarding the usage of this millets, people say that it needs to be soaked in water over a period of time. Then after that, we need to boil it and use it. Even after soaking and boiling these millets, the starch as well as the fiber content remains hard, and it is not easy to digest. So when it is not being digested, it gets decomposed. Any food which is not digested starts decomposing within our intestine. So when it gets decomposed, it produces certain toxins which are harmful to our body. Consuming millets may reduce our blood sugar level because the starch which is there is very hard and not being absorbed into our circulation. But definitely it produces the toxins by decomposition, resulting in certain health issues. That is why consumption of millets, we may feel the discomfort in our abdomen, indigestion as well as discomfort in our abdomen. So precisely speaking, the millets are better than rice because they contain fiber. So they are better than rice or wheat, but definitely they are not the best food. Then how to use these millets? So before using, the millet should be ground into powder. First it should be powdered and then it should be boiled. So even during consuming these millets, we must use more water. So it will be safe and healthy if you use less quantity of millets after powdering and after cooking. If you need a precise and scientific information about health, then only you subscribe to our channel. Namaste.